Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting for all our business-minded viewers out there. We're delving into the HP Windows 11 Pro, a laptop that promises not just functionality, but a seamless blend of power and style. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest in tech. Now, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. As we open the sleek packaging, you're immediately greeted by the HP Windows 11 Pro, securely nestled inside. It's all about the details, and HP doesn't disappoint. The laptop's metallic finish and slim profile give off a professional vibe right from the start. Taking it out, the first thing you notice is the stunning 15.6-inch FHD display. Perfect for those who demand clarity and vibrant visuals in their day-to-day tasks. But, of course, there's more beneath the surface. Let's talk power. The HP Windows 11 Pro is equipped with an 11th Gen Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor. That means lightning-fast performance, whether you're multitasking or running resource-intensive applications. And with 16 GB of RAM, you'll experience smooth, lag-free computing. But wait, there's more! The 512 GB SSD ensures quick boot times and ample storage for all your business files. No more waiting around, your laptop keeps up with your pace. Now, let's talk visuals. The Intel Iris Xe graphics on this machine deliver stunning visuals, whether you're editing presentations or enjoying some downtime with your favorite streaming service. And check this out, a Numeric Pad right at your fingertips for effortless number input. A small detail, but a game changer for productivity. Staying connected is crucial in today's fast-paced world, and the HP Windows 11 Pro has you covered. With Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2, you're seamlessly connected to your network and devices. And look at these ports, USB galore. From peripherals to external storage, you have the flexibility you need. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, battery life. We all know the struggle of a laptop that can't keep up. Not with the HP Windows 11 Pro. Its long-lasting battery ensures you stay productive throughout the day without constantly searching for an outlet. And there you have it, the HP Windows 11 Pro. A business laptop that ticks all the boxes. From powerful performance to a sleek design, this is your partner in conquering the business world. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. And we'll catch you in the next video. Stay techy. Upgrade your business experience with the HP Windows 11 Pro. Unleash the power of an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. Enjoy seamless connectivity. And revel in the convenience of a Numeric Pad. Elevate your productivity with a laptop designed for the modern professional. HP Windows 11 Pro, where performance meets style.